There are six numbers that drive the US economy, and one of those is home sales. And so I want us to look together at the home sales that we've had this last year and to really better understand where we're at and where we came from. So, as you look at this graph, you see this is from 1990 all the way through today. And home sales today, 2024, 2025, are extremely low. Extremely low. So you look here, 2024, we had 4.1 million home sales transactions. That means a sale side or a buy side, a transaction, there was 4.1 million. Very similar to what we had there in 2023. And now, oh, well, look back. We're actually at a 29-year low for home sales. The last time we had that few of sales, a long time ago, right? And so when we look at we're at a 29-year low, the reality is we have to also assess what was happening in 1996, right? Well, in 1996 we had 24% less population. We have 65 million more people living in the U.S. than we did back in 1996, and that was once again when we had about 4.1 million home sales, other than just the recession of '08. And so, what does that tell us? Well, there's a need for homes, right? There's a need for more sales because we have more people even living in the US. What's going to happen here in 2025? It's projected we're going to be at about 4.2 million. So, we're not really looking to see a huge difference between this last year and this year in regards to the amount of homes that were sold. So, what does that mean to you? Well, I think that means support your real estate community. Home sales are low, and so support your real estate agents, support your builders, support your lenders. The reality is the business was built up there in 2021 to be supporting 6.1 million home sales, and now we're down to 4.1, 29-year low. You can just imagine the challenge that brings to the housing market. Talking about contractors, talking about real estate agents, lenders, talking about title companies, all of the construction, anything that has to do with homes, is in a recession, is really feeling that. So support them. But also, I think what it can mean to you is go buy houses, go build houses. Every home you build, well, guess what? You're actually adding a home to the inventory, which we need. Third observation, though, I think is this question of how long is this going to last? How long is it going to last that we flatline? Here we've seen it 2023 to potentially 2024. We're going to see a very similar. Well, if you look at trends, you see that we flatline about 3 to 4 years before sales really go up. And so if you look at that, early 90s, then we kind of see it again there, early 2000s, and even in 2016 and 2018, you can see that when you flatline, it stays there about 3 to 4 years, and then it starts trickling up. So what does that mean to us today? I think we're going to see low home sales for another 1 to 2 years until the home sales start building back up, which gives you opportunity, yes, to build, to sell. There's opportunity and need for the economy for more home sales. And so, one, be encouraged, but also if you're investing, investing in developments, investing in homes, investing in home projects is a good investment because there is such a need for more home sales in the community. So, I hope this is encouraging to you to say, "Hey, let's stay the course. Let's help one another out." And we are on the edge of seeing more sales coming up in the next year or two.